Hi, welcome to Works for Spirit. Today I'm going to be sharing a color pencil art project. I did a picture of my dog and start off with some materials. So for materials, I like using Prismacolor pencils. They're very bright, blend well. For paper, I'm just using an old sketchbook I had, just nice thick quality white sketch paper. And I like to use photos of my subjects because they don't hold still every time. All right, so I'm mostly going to be just sharing a sped up video of me drawing, sketching, and I used this photo. So let me share the video. I did speed it up a little, so enjoy watching and I will comment as I draw. So I always start off loosely. Don't do a lot of erasing at first, just loosely sketch it in. And as it comes to life, darken, refine it. And I just use regular color pencil. And when I get done with the shading, that's when I'll add color pencil. Sometimes I'll even make a photocopy of the black and white sketch in pencil first, and then add colored pencil to it right on the copy paper. So that's another technique you can try if you want to experiment with some colors. But I know I learned a lot just from watching other people draw and sketch. So I'm sharing a video. So just enjoy watching me draw, or hopefully it will inspire you. Pick up some techniques. Okay, and my final drawing, after I added the color pencil, looks like this. And again, this is just the Prismacolor pencils, and I could keep going and didn't go to the edge of the paper this time, but sometimes I do. All right, I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and you can like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching.